Mrs. Shantama is a SC woman and 34 years old. She has studied just 4th standard. Her husband is an auto driver. They have 2 sons who are studying in a government schools. The elder son is studying in 9th standard and the younger son in 7th standard. They have their own house in Guti SC colony in Anantapur district AP. Her family main livelihood is her husband driving an auto and she went to work as a farm laborer, having no other skills to earn their living. They have an old auto that doesn't work properly. Because of that they got very little amount, so the family faced a lot of financial problems. They got a loan of 20,000 through RF support from STDH Bangalore. With the support, the engine work is done and the auto is running smoothly. Now her husband's net income from auto is 400 to 500 rupees per day. With that, family maintenance, children's education, RF loan amount is being paid as per schedule. After paying off the debt, it was hoped that a loan of 50,000 would come through RF to arrange the body and seating in the auto to increase the family's income again. She has no voice, because she is resourceless. But her inner voice tells her to increase the family's income by establishing income-generating assets. She sees hope for her future.
మా పేరు శాంతమ్మ, నా వయసు 32, నేను 4వ తరగతి వరకు చదువుతాను. మాకు 2 పిల్లలు, పెద్ద అబ్బాయి 9వ క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాడు, చిన్న అబ్బాయి 8వ క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాడు. మాది గుత్తి ఎస్సీ కాలనీ ఇల్లుంది మాకు. మా ఆయన ఆటో తోలుతాడు, నేను కూలి పనికి వెళ్తాను. 150 నుండి 200 వరకు ఇస్తారు. ఆర్ఎఫ్లో మేము 20,000 లోన్ తీసుకున్నాము, దాంతో ఆటో రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు.
మా ఆటో రిపేర్ ఉంది, ఇంజన్ పని చేయించుకోవాలా, టాప్ సీట్లు కుట్టించుకోవాలా, మీరు 50,000 సాయం చేయండి.
మా ఆడవాళ్ళందరికీ లోన్ ఇచ్చినారు, అందుకే మీ అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞత సార్.